Quick look at the Wilton Vise I just restored. It's all been lubed up. One finger turn. Jaws are good. It's got some grind marks here, but I think the production date was 68, June of 68. But decent shape for its age, man. Stood the test of time. The only problem it is, not that it's a problem, it's just a cosmetic thing, is the back cap here was, let's see if I can see the blade, pushed in. I don't know if somebody pushed something against it or if it dropped or something, but nothing else has been affected. It's been shot with two-stage paint. I actually mixed the color up very close to the original. I think the original was a hammer finish, and this is just a good RM automotive paint. I mixed up to be real close because I had another one to compare it with. But she's good looking vise. Let me know if you have any questions. There's pics on eBay, the link as well. Take care.